There are three categories of computer users. First, who like to use a mouse. Second, who prefers to use a keyboard. And third, who prefer to talk to Cortana or Siri. Whatever category you fall into, you can't deny the great use of certain hacks that disclose your computer's previously unknown capabilities. These clever hacks enhance your computer experience on a daily basis, while also increasing your productivity and security. Hello friends! You are watching Archi's Top 5. We discuss some of the fascinating topics in the education and business industry. We have compiled a list of 9 computer hacks that will come in handy for anyone who uses their computer for fun or work. Before we start this video, we request you to please like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. So let's get started with this video with first hack. Even if you've emptied the recycle bin, you can recover deleted files. Deleting files and then emptying the recycling bin can be very inconvenient, as you may discover later that there was a file that you really needed in that pile. You can use Recuva, which is the most popular program for recovering permanently deleted files. Simply select the type of file you're looking for, and the program will do the rest. It's possible that the program won't be able to locate a file if it's been a long time since you deleted it. Hack number 2. When your laptop is in airplane mode, it charges faster. Many features, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, are disabled when your laptop is in airplane mode. This relieves some of the strain on your battery and allows it to charge more quickly than it would otherwise. Expect to see your laptop fully charged 10 to 15 minutes faster than if you had the airplane mode off. Hack number 3. By pressing Alt and clicking on any Google image, you can automatically download it. Most people save images by right-clicking on them and selecting Save, but there is a much easier and faster way to do so. Simply press Alt and then left-click on an image, and it will be saved to your Downloads folder on your computer. On a MacBook, press Ctrl and then click on the image. A drop-down menu will appear from which you can select Copy Image. Hack number 4. Hide your IP address so no one knows what you're up to. There are several methods for hiding your IP address and browsing activity. First and foremost, you must install a good VPN on your internet browser to mask your true location. Then you can get Peer Block, which hides your IP address and allows you to do whatever you want without anyone knowing. Hack number 5. A clean desktop means a faster computer. If your computer is slowing down, it could be due to an excessive amount of icons on your desktop. Instead of having a folder on your desktop for everything, you can create one and organize everything in it. After that, move all of your apps to the taskbar, leaving you with a nearly empty desktop. This action will increase the speed of your computer immediately. Hack number 6. Find out who is attempting to steal your Wi-Fi. Isn't it irritating when your internet connection is slow because someone else is using your Wi-Fi? If you don't just want to change your password, but also find out who the thief or thieves are, then you can download Who is on My Wi-Fi and maybe go confront them. There is nothing more embarrassing than telling someone that you know they've been stealing from you. Hack number 7. Instead of using a calculator, utilize the Google search bar to convert currencies. Who needs calculators when you have a tool as valuable as Google? If you're traveling internationally and need to know how much money you will obtain through an exchange, simply note down the amount of money and the currencies of the countries you will be visiting. A basic Google search for $100 to euros can indicate how much profit or loss you'll make from the exchange. Hack number 8. Your computer has been hacked if you notice these signs. Every day, millions of people get hacked, and you may be one of them at any time. One of the first warning indicators is seeing your antivirus switched off. Also, if you try to log into your computer and your password suddenly stops working, this is a red flag that something is wrong. Finally, seeing your cursor move on its own is solid evidence that you've been hacked. In this situation, take your laptop to a professional and try to fix the problem. Hack number 9. Download f.lux to make your computer's screen brightness adjust automatically to its surroundings. Many of you who work on computers in a variety of settings are aware of how difficult it is to work in a dark place with an incredibly bright screen. The night shift mode on most PCs adjusts the brightness during the night. You can also download and install f.lux, which changes the brightness of your screen based on the environment it's in. If the night shift option isn't working for you, this is an excellent alternative. So there you have it. Few of the computer life hacks and tricks you should know for better performance, security, and time saving. Please keep supporting us for more useful videos like this. It's time to say goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.